Thikoni ni kuma President William Ruto guteneria mendekithia mawatho wa kigina wa mwaka wa 2024 na kwihita kunyihia mahuthiro ma thirikari. Riu ministry ya kigina ni yambiririe gukinyaniria undu uyu. Hindi ya gikaro gia kamite ya bunge igie mbajeti na ministry ya kigina, ministry no ni yaniriire kwerekeria ithano aria yo kuri maundu matiganite. Tabarira cia uthii wa nambere rici ihutitio muno ikirengerwo ciringi mbirioni 138 turuma ithano. Honge iria igutunywo kigina ni hamwe na utambia wa thitima ugitunywo ciringi mbirioni 14 turuma ithathatũ, waki wa barabara ukinyihio na ciringi mbirioni 14, tabarira cia mai ikirengwo na ciringi mbirioni 3, matharaita ma borithi makinyihio na ciringi mbirioni 3, ukonakio kigina kia Hustler Fund gikinyihirio ciringi mbirioni 2.
In the recurrent budget, we are proposing to rationalize expenditure amounting to 40.3 billion Kenya shillings. This amount is inclusive of 2.7 billion rationalization under parliament.
Hari mahuthiro mangi maria thirikari iranire kunyitia kamba ni thabari cia nanja hari maabitha thirikari iri ikurengwo na gicunjĩ kia 20%, thabari cia guku bururi-ini ikirengwo na gicunjĩ kia 50%, ukona kuogori wa indo cia mawabici, kigina gia thiri kia mawabici, waki wa wabici njeru na ugori wothe wa ngari cia thirikari ukirugamio biũ.
We are doing is two-way and will be enumerated better by the National Treasury. It is to borrow slightly more. We had a budget then with a fiscal deficit of 3.83%. Currently, we are now having one before us, which is around 4.2 to 4.3% deficit to GDP ratio. It means we are borrowing slightly more.
Kuringana na minister wa kigina wa ihinda Musalia Mudavadi, gukinyiria riu thirikari ndiri na wiki tiga gucerehura kigina giki kuma kuri honge ciothe cia thirikari, riu akiuga gutire ruhonge rutakuhutio.
The haircut that we are taking calls for very tough measures, some of them unpleasant, but we have to do that.
For me, this budget cuts I see are mostly targeting actually the common mwananchi, because when you look at it, you talk about maintaining affordable housing, yet we are having cuts on TVETs.
Kumana na guthengio kwa watho wa kigina uria uratanyaga kungania magoti mamakiria ma ciringi mbirioni 302, riu kigina kiria thirikari irabatara kuiyuririria kwitukira ngombo gikongerereka na makiria ciringi mbirioni 200 ikirugamira ciringi mbirioni 761, uguo mathiri ma bururi magitanya kuongerereka ona makiria.
And no, actually today is when we were paying off to settle the Chinese debt of 56 billion, and you can get other details for the rest of that make up to 74 billion.
Ona kuri uguo thirikari ni yaniriire gutigirira maundu ma bata ni makinyanirio, riu ikiranira kwandika wira arimu othe a JSS aria makoretwo metereire kandarathi ciao.
That the 46,000 JSS interns who have been almost volunteering in our running institutions, being paid monies that are not commensurate with the work they are doing, that we have to provide monies for their confirmation to permanent and pensionable terms.
Honge igiri kuguneka ri hamwe na urimi wa kahua ugithukirwo ciringi mbirioni 2 cia kuriha mathire, urimi wa igwa ugithukirwo ciringi mbirioni 1, uhandi wa miti ugithukirwo ciringi nuthu mbirioni, fataraitha ya raithi igithukirwo ciringi mbirioni 10, ukonayo kamboni ya iria New KCC igithukirwo ciringi mbirioni 1 turuma ithano.
Another session for report writing.
Dunia Kameme TV retora kwa ni Bataro wa Mwagi.